Hello and welcome to another video. Now today we're going to be looking at these. These are the SoundPEATS TrueFree wireless earphones. Now these are truly wireless earphones as they don't have a wire connecting the two earbuds together like you do get with quite a few wireless earbuds on the market. Now also these can work independently of each other, so if you just wanted the left one in or you just wanted the right one in, you can do that as well. So let's get this box open, let's have a look inside and let's have a look. So the earphones come in this charging case which has a USB connector on the back. It's micro USB. Now this is going to charge both the case and in turn the earphones. Now the batteries on the earphones have a capacity of 43 milliamp hours, which is going to give you about 3 to 4 hours of actual talk time. And the battery in the case has a capacity of 380 milliamp hours, which is going to charge the earbuds about 3 times. And to get a full charge on the case, it's going to take up to about 2 hours. Now included is a very short micro USB cable. Now it's a bit too short really for me, but it can be replaced with any micro USB cable that you might have lying around, so that's not really a problem. Now the TrueFree wireless that does not come with a wall charger, so you have to use one that you've got already, or you can charge it from a PC. But what they do say is that you should not use anything above a 5 volt 1 amp charger. So don't get used in any fast chargers like this one I've got from Samsung that came with my phone, as they do say that it's not really suitable for these earphones. Now there's no actual cover on this case, they're just held in by magnets and they are pretty strong. I mean, I can shake this quite furiously and they just don't come out at all. Now to take them out of the case is quite easy. You simply just lift them out from the middle like so. They don't really feel that well held in, but you do really feel the strength of the magnets when you put them back in. And like I say, very, very, very well held in there. Now once you've got them out, you can see how small they are. There's a little hole in the ends of each one, which is the microphone, and the middle of the main part of each earbud is a button. This button is used for power, syncing, play and pause functions, and on the left earbud a double press goes to the previous track, and doing the same thing on the right one will skip forward a track. Now the only control missing from the earbuds is a volume control. Now you have to control that by using your phone or whatever you're connected to. Now the SoundPEATS TrueFree are really light. They're 4.7 grams each, and putting them in my ears they do feel very, very comfortable. Now they come as standard with medium-sized ear tips, but they do come as well with some extra ones here which are different sizes. There's extra small, small and large to replace the medium ones that are already on there. To change them, it's easy enough. You just pull off the one you've got like so, and then you just pop the new one back on. Now for me, in the ears, they create a really good seal and a lot of head movement. and they just don't fall out. Oh, got a bit dizzy there. Now, connection is via Bluetooth 5, and you can connect to each one individually in mono mode, or you can connect to both in stereo mode. Now, to connect to both, you would simply pair it with the right hand one only, and the left one connects into the right one. Now, in testing, I've had absolutely no dropouts in connection. They've been really stable. But most importantly though, how do they sound? Well, for less than £30, I wasn't expecting too much, to be honest, but I've been really pleasantly surprised. Now, in terms of music, for such a small earpiece, the sound quality is really nice. In stereo mode, there's no discernible lag between the left and right earpieces. It's very well rounded and clear. The bass is just right for me, and there's no hint of any distortion or hiss. As I say, they have a nice seal, and there is very little noise leaking in or out. And for hands-free use using your phone, the sound again is very clear. Now, I'm told by the people I've been talking to that the microphone is also very clear. They can hear everything perfectly. So if you're looking for a decent pair of wireless earphones, or you definitely want some truly wireless free earphones, then at £30 I'd say that these are a fantastic bargain buy. Well, I'll leave a link to the TrueFree wireless earphones in the description below. Don't forget to give this video a like if you liked it. Got loads more videos coming very soon, and the best way not to miss any of those is to subscribe. It doesn't cost a thing. So thanks for watching, and I will see you later.